Welcome back to the Helix Keycloak series, episode 6, Client Architecture. Last episode we covered reback, 5 roles, 4 users, role accumulation. Now we look at the other side, how applications connect to Keycloak. 3 clients, 3 different OIDC patterns, 1 realm. Here's our POS realm clients list. 9 total, but 3 are ours. Helix POS Web, the browser-based POS terminal. Helix POS Mobile, the tablet and smartphone app. And Helix POS Service, the backend service account. Notice each client has an emoji name and a clear description. Starting with the web client, this is a public client, no client secret. Why public? Because JavaScript running in a browser can't keep secrets. Look at the redirect URIs. 7 different URLs for different environments. Each POS deployment gets its own redirect URI. The web client has 8 scopes, the most comprehensive of the 3. Default scopes, email, profile, roles, web origins, always included in the token. Optional scopes, address, phone, offline access, requested on demand. The dedicated scope holds custom mappers for this specific client. Now, the mobile client, also public, same reason. The app binary can be decompiled. Key difference. Look at the redirect URI, helix pause //OAuth/callback. That's a custom URL schema. When Keycloak finishes auth, it sends the user back to the app, not a web URL, an app URL. This is how native OAuth works. Mobile client is leaner, 6 scopes instead of 8. No address, no phone. A mobile POS doesn't need those claims. Principle of least privileges applies to scopes too, not just roles. And now the big one, Helix POS Service. Notice the difference immediately. Client authentication is on. This is a confidential client. It has a secret. Why? Because this runs on the back end. Server-side code can keep secrets. This is machine-to-machine authentication. The Credentials tab. This is where it gets real. Client ID and client secret. This is how the back end proves its identity. The secret is masked by default. The regenerate button rotates it. In production, the secret goes into environmental variables, never source code. This is the handshake between your backend and Keycloak. Service account roles. The service client gets its own virtual user. Service account helix _POS_service. That's the identity. This user can be assigned roles just like a human user. Right now, it has the default realm roles. In production, you'd assign specific permissions. In the service client scopes, only 5. The leanest of the 3, no offline access. Services don't need refresh tokens the same way. Machine to machine, authenticate, get token, use it, done. Note, these are the realm level client scopes, 10 scopes total, shared across all clients. 9, OpenID Connect, 1 SAML for legacy systems. Default scopes are included automatically. Optional scopes must be requested. This is the menu. Each client picks what it needs. To the clients list, 3 clients, 3 patterns. Web, public, browser-based. Many redirect URIs. Mobile, public, native app, custom schema, callbacks. Service, confidential, client secret, machine to machine. 1 realm handles all 3. That's the power of OIDC, OpenID Connect. Next episode, authentication flows, how the actual login process works.